In the journey of life, we often find ourselves wondering if we are on the right path, if we are passing the universe's tests. Today, let's explore 8 signs that signify you have transcended these trials, moving towards a fuller, more enlightened existence. We'll begin with the first 2 signs, exploring their depth and significance. The first sign that you have passed the universe's test is a profound shift in your perception of life. You start to see challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. This transformation in perspective is crucial. When faced with adversity, rather than reacting with frustration or despair, you now view these moments as essential experiences that contribute to your personal evolution. You recognize that every hardship carries a lesson, a hidden gift meant to elevate your understanding and resilience. Consider the difficulties you have encountered. Did they break you or build you? When you start appreciating the value of these experiences, you are seeing the first sign. This change is not just a mental exercise but a deep-seated realization that everything happens for a reason. You understand that the universe is not against you but is instead guiding you toward your highest potential. This realization brings a sense of peace and trust in the process of life. The second sign is the emergence of inner harmony. This is a state where you find balance within yourself, despite the chaos around you. Inner harmony is not merely the absence of conflict, but a profound sense of peace that comes from accepting who you are, with all your strengths and imperfections. When you have passed the universe's test, you no longer seek validation from external sources. Your worth is inherent, and you know it deeply. Think about your inner dialogue. Is it filled with criticism and doubt, or have you learned to be kind and supportive to yourself? When your self-talk shifts from judgment to compassion, you are experiencing inner harmony. This change is significant because it affects how you interact with the world. When you are at peace with yourself, you naturally extend that peace to others. Your relationships improve, and you attract people who resonate with your higher vibration. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. Inner harmony also manifests in your emotional state. You are no longer at the mercy of your emotions. Instead, you observe them, understand their origins, and allow them to pass without letting them control you. This emotional intelligence is a clear indicator that you have transcended the reactive patterns that once dictated your responses. You understand that emotions are transient and that true peace comes from within. Reflect on your emotional responses. Do you get swept away by anger, sadness, or fear, or can you maintain your equilibrium? When you start responding to life's challenges with calmness and clarity, you are demonstrating inner harmony. This does not mean suppressing your emotions but processing them in a healthy and constructive manner. These first 2 signs, perceiving challenges as growth opportunities and achieving inner harmony, are profound indicators of your spiritual progress. They show that you are aligning with the universe's flow and trusting in the greater plan for your life. So, as we conclude this first part, reflect on your journey. Do you see your challenges as steps towards growth? Are you in harmony with yourself and your emotions? Trusting the inner voice. The third and fourth signs. Continuing our exploration of the signs that you have passed the universe's test, we now delve into the third and fourth indicators. These signs are equally profound and reveal a deeper alignment with your true self and the universe's guidance. The third sign is the awakening and trust in your intuition. Intuition is that inner voice that often whispers the truth to us, even when logic and reason suggest otherwise. When you have passed the universe's test, this intuitive sense becomes more pronounced and reliable. You begin to trust your gut feelings and inner knowing, understanding that they are manifestations of a higher wisdom guiding you. Reflect on the decisions you have made in your life. How often have you felt a strong inner pull towards a certain direction, only to dismiss it in favor of what seemed more rational? When you start honoring these intuitive nudges, you are recognizing the third sign. Trusting your intuition is crucial because it signifies a deeper connection with your true self and the universe. This trust is cultivated through practice and listening. The more you heed your intuition, the stronger and clearer it becomes. Think about the times when you followed your intuition, even when it defied logic or societal expectations. How did those decisions impact your life? When you notice that these intuitive choices lead to positive outcomes and greater fulfillment, you are witnessing the power of this inner guidance. This realization reinforces your trust in your intuition, showing that you are in tune with the universe's plan for you. The fourth sign is a noticeable shift in your relationships. As you grow spiritually, the quality of your relationships changes. You start to attract and nurture connections that are based on mutual respect, understanding, and growth. Toxic or draining relationships begin to fall away naturally because they no longer resonate with your higher vibration. Consider the people in your life. Are your relationships nurturing and supportive, or do they drain your energy? When you have passed the universe's test, you find yourself surrounded by individuals who uplift and inspire you. This shift is a testament to your inner growth and the harmony you have achieved within yourself. You become a beacon of light, attracting like-minded souls who are on a similar path. Moreover, this shift in relationships also involves setting healthy boundaries. You become more discerning about who you allow into your inner circle. This is not about being exclusive, but about protecting your energy and ensuring that your interactions are positive and constructive. You learn to say no to relationships and situations that do not serve your highest good, and this discernment is a clear indicator of your spiritual maturity. Think about your boundaries. Are they clear and respected? Or do you often find yourself compromising to please others? When you start to prioritize your well-being and establish healthy boundaries, you are demonstrating a deep respect for yourself and your journey. This respect is mirrored in the way others treat you, further enhancing the quality of your relationships. These third and fourth signs, trusting your intuition and experiencing a positive shift in your relationships, are powerful indicators of your spiritual progress. They show that you are in alignment with your true self and the universe, navigating life with greater clarity and harmony. As we conclude this part, reflect on your journey so far. Do you trust your intuition and follow its guidance? Are your relationships nurturing and supportive? Embracing authenticity. The fifth and sixth signs. As we continue our exploration of the signs that indicate you have passed the universe's test, we now turn to the fifth and sixth indicators. These signs highlight a profound alignment with your true self and the broader currents of life. The fifth sign is the emergence of authenticity. When you have passed the universe's test, you feel a deep compulsion to live in alignment with your true self. This means expressing your thoughts, feelings, and values without fear of judgment or rejection. Authenticity is about shedding the masks you have worn to fit in or to meet the expectations of others. It is about embracing who you truly are and allowing that to shine through in every aspect of your life. Consider your daily interactions and decisions. Are they guided by a desire to conform, or do they reflect your true nature and values? When you begin to act in ways that are true to yourself, regardless of external pressures, you are recognizing the fifth sign. This shift towards authenticity is significant because it brings a sense of liberation and fulfillment. You no longer feel the need to compromise your integrity to gain acceptance. Instead, you attract people and opportunities that resonate with your true self. Living authentically also means embracing your vulnerabilities and imperfections. You understand that being true to yourself involves acknowledging your flaws and mistakes without shame. This acceptance fosters a deeper connection with others, as they are drawn to your genuine and unfiltered presence. Authenticity breeds trust and respect, both within yourself and in your relationships. Reflect on your personal growth. Have you been able to drop the pretense and show up as your true self? Are you comfortable with your imperfections, and do you allow others to see them? When you start embracing authenticity in this way, you are demonstrating a profound level of self-awareness and courage, which are key indicators of your spiritual progress. The sixth sign is a heightened sense of purpose. When you have passed the universe's test, you feel a strong sense of direction and meaning in your life. This purpose is not necessarily tied to a specific job or role, but is a broader understanding of your place in the world and how you can contribute to the greater good. You start to feel a deep connection to something larger than yourself, whether it is a cause, a community, or a spiritual path. Think about your daily activities and choices. Do they feel aligned with a greater purpose, or do you often feel lost or unfulfilled? When you begin to feel that your actions are in harmony with a higher calling, you are recognizing the sixth sign. This sense of purpose brings clarity and motivation. It helps you navigate life's challenges with a sense of mission and resilience. A heightened sense of purpose also involves a commitment to personal growth and the well-being of others. You understand that your journey is intertwined with the journeys of those around you. This interconnectedness inspires you to contribute positively to the world, whether through acts of kindness, creative endeavors, or social activism. Your purpose becomes a guiding light that shapes your decisions and interactions. Reflect on the impact you want to make in the world. Are your actions and choices contributing to this vision? Do you feel a sense of fulfillment and direction in your life? When you start to live with a heightened sense of purpose, you are acknowledging the sixth sign, which signifies a deep alignment with the universe's plan for you. These fifth and sixth signs, embracing authenticity and feeling a heightened sense of purpose, are powerful indicators of your spiritual evolution. They show that you are living in harmony with your true self and contributing positively to the world around you. As we conclude this part, reflect on your journey. Are you living authentically? Do you feel a strong sense of purpose? Resonating with universal harmony. The seventh and eighth signs. As we approach the culmination of our exploration, we turn to the final two signs that you have passed the universe's test. These signs reflect a deep resonance with the harmony of the universe and the flow of life itself. The seventh sign is the experience of synchronicity. When you have passed the universe's test, you begin to notice a series of meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be mere chance. These synchronicities are the universe's way of communicating with you, affirming that you are on the right path. They often come in the form of unexpected opportunities, chance encounters, or timely insights that guide you towards your goals and aspirations. Think about the moments when everything seemed to fall into place effortlessly. Have you experienced situations where the right people or resources appeared just when you needed them? When you start witnessing these synchronicities regularly, you are recognizing the seventh sign. This phenomenon indicates that you are in tune with the universal flow, moving in harmony with its rhythms. It is a reminder that you are supported and guided, even when the path ahead seems uncertain.